there. If you're familiar with Alloway, you might well recognise today's spot. Step across Murdoch Sloane from the Burns Birthplace Museum and you'll find yourself here. In 1898, plans were being made for a new railway line, the Dunure and Maidens Light Railway, which would also provide excellent transport for tourists coming to Burns country. But the proposed route was proving controversial. I have a feeling that our Burns land is about to be ruined. Fancy for a moment a railway train rubbing clays with old Alloway's haunted kirk, desecrating the spot where Mungo's mither hanged herself. Oh, 'tis outrageous and cruel. What happened next? Read chapter 7 to find out.